Hello, I'm going to be changing the lawnmower blade in my Lawn Boy lawnmower. This is the model 10634. It's just one blade. This is a atomic blade I got on Amazon or eBay, I forget. Just a cheap blade, nothing fancy, but it's got the high lift and the mulching teeth on it. So let's put it on. Before working on this, always make sure you take the spark plug wire off. You're going to be turning the blade and it could start on its own and chop your arm off. So if you want to plug it, it won't start. You want to get access underneath it. I guess you can either turn it on its side. What I'm going to do is just take it and push it underneath a tire, and there you go. Now it's sitting up just fine. You'll need a 5/8 inch socket or 5/8 inch box end wrench. I'm going to be using an impact driver. If you don't have one of those, again, a socket will work with a ratchet or a box end wrench, but this goes much quicker. One thing you can do if you don't have the luxury of an impact driver is take a piece of wood or a block and jam it in the side here, so that when you turn counterclockwise to take it off, it will stop the blade and everything else from moving. So the old blade is here. It's important to orient the blade properly. You want to see the underneath portion. This is the top, so this is the part that's actually going to be touching the ground by the grass. And there you have it. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Good luck.